Right out of the box, you can tell this isn't some cheap plastic cover. The faux leather is soft but durable, with over 20,000 tiny perforations that make it super breathable. The stitching and 3D cut are sleek and precise. It honestly feels like something you'd get in a high-end vehicle. You get 2 front covers, 3 rear covers, and they even include an install kit with hooks and little circular attachments to tuck in the sides. Okay, let's talk install. I was honestly expecting it to be frustrating, but it only took me about 30 minutes. The covers are labeled clearly in the installation pamphlet, and once you get the first seat done, the rest fly by. They fit snugly on my Toyota Prius seats without interfering with my seat adjustments, airbag functions, or seat belts. And I love the added non-slip backing and hidden rear storage pockets. They give you 2 different attachment hooks, one that's circular and you weave the belt in between it and tuck them in the appropriate places. I only needed to use 2 hooks on each of the front seat covers. They're a little loose and they don't really attach very well on this car model, but these seat covers don't seem like it's going to move around anyway because there are other latches on other parts to keep them secure. Also, the snap-on buttons on the top driver and passenger seats don't align as perfectly as I'd like, but I was able to tuck it in, and after that, they looked fitted nonetheless. The manual was pretty self-explanatory and helped a lot. I'm filming this with one hand as I hold the camera, so forgive me for being a little shaky here. Now for the moment of truth, look at the before. Faded wrinkly fabric from my former car cover and dog hair everywhere. And now after. It looks like I had the interior professionally redone. I drove around for a couple hours and the lumbar support is a surprising win. These covers are padded just enough to feel plush but not bulky. I had no backaches or sweaty legs. And yes, I tested it with my dog. No slipping, no scratching. However, if the dog's nails are sharp like my Australian cattle dogs, it may puncture the fabric, so just keep them trimmed. You can wipe off muddy paw prints with a damp cloth. Dry cloths will not do it, so make sure to wet it. If you have pets or messy kids, these seat covers are the real deal. They're built to protect your actual seats from spills, snacks, claws, and life. So would I recommend these car seat covers? Absolutely. The upgrade is insane. It's affordable, stylish, functional, and made my car feel new again. I'll drop the link in the description if you want to check them out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like these.